Hello there and welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Tim Warner and you're watching the module entitled Managing Space and Undo Data in Oracle Database 12c. When I learned to type, I used manual and electric typewriters and relied upon, believe it or not, that white correction ribbon to undo any mistakes that I'd make along the way. Those were the days, right? Of course, nowadays we have computers and word processors like Word 2013 that you see on this slide that support a seemingly infinite number of undo levels where we can seamlessly make mistakes and undo those mistakes as if they never occurred in the first place. Did you know that Oracle Database includes an undo ability as well? Yes, it does, and isn't it great? In this module, I'm going to teach you the important purpose of undo data and how to manage undo data in Oracle Database 12c. We know what a table space is at this point. You know what a default table space is. That's the table space and data files that are written to unless otherwise specified by your users. We know what a temp table space is. That's a scratch space for temporary operations. Now we turn our attention to the undo table space. And by the end of this module, you'll know all about how to administer and monitor that undo data for maximum effect in your organization. We're actually going to start with the undo piece, and then we'll move on to proactively monitoring space usage. The disk subsystem's a big one for any systems administrator, and of course our data files exist on a file system somewhere, and we want to do what we can to ensure that we don't run out of space. There's lots of stuff that we've reviewed thus far at the table space level, for instance allowing auto extension of your data files. We can make data files bigger, we can provision other data files, but I want you to know one of the take-home messages from this module is that although Oracle takes care of a lot of these optimizations under the hood automatically, you can take control of table spaces, segments, and extents to a very granular level if you want to do that. And as a matter of fact, I'm doing an entire course for Pluralsight on Oracle performance tuning and optimization, so be on the lookout for that in the Pluralsight library. Without any further ado, let's get started.